Come along, come and play. We're going on a trip today. Through the forest near the stream, to the place of every dream. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Come and sing along with me. Lion says, roar, 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 king of the jungle forevermore. Golden mane shines so bright, walking proudly in the light. Roar up high, roar down low, where will our adventure go? Elephant stomps, boom, 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 making lots of happy room. Big long trunk swings side to side. Let's all take a giant stride. Splash in water, cool and sweet. Wiggle your ears and stamp your feet. Monkey swings, swing, 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 happily from vine to string. Peeling bananas, 1, 2, 3, sharing snacks with you and me. Scratch your head, clap with delight, dance together morning till night. Look at the birdies! Zebra trots with stripes so neat. Tap, tap, tap goes every feet. Black and white from head to tail, running through the grassy trail. Gallop fast, gallop slow, which way shall the zebras go? Panda munches crunchy bamboo, chewing happily, chomp, chomp, chew. Rolling gently on the ground, making giggles all around. Roll around, then stand tall. Pandas love to hug us all. Little rabbit hop, 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 never ever wants to stop. Fluffy tail so soft and white, bouncing with all of its might. Hop to the left, hop to the right. Everything feels just right. Quack, quack, splash, quack. Duck says, quack, 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 swimming down the river track, splashing water with its feet. Every swim is such a treat. Quack together, 1, 2, 3, happy as can ever be. Little frog goes, ribbit, ribbit, jumping every single minute. Lily pads are soft and green, best place anyone has seen. Jump up high, jump down low, watch the tiny fireflies glow. Owl says, hoot, 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 listening to every flute. Big bright eyes that softly shine, everything is looking fine. Twinkle stars, moon moon so bright. Sleepy animals say good night. Big brown bear walks slow and strong, humming a gentle sleepy song, looking for sweet honey treats, with happy paws and dancing feet. Growl so softly, smile so wide, friends are always by your side.
Keep buzzing.
Lion roars, elephant stomps, monkey swings and rabbit hops. Duck goes quack, frog goes leap. Owl says, time to go to sleep. Panda hugs, zebra runs. Everyone has lots of fun. Sing together loud and clear. We'll come back again next year. La la la, tra la la. Animals are superstars. La la la, hip hooray. See you on another day.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest videos.